Hey crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to Credit. Today we are diving into the world of Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency that started as a joke but become a global sensation. Before we have dive in, make sure you hit the subscribe button and let's explore the fascinating journey of Dogecoin. Today we have some amazing questions about Dogecoin. With we can answer, you can understand all about Dogecoin. So first we have introduction to Dogecoin. Dogecoin symbolized as Doge. So emerged in 2013 as a light-hearted digital currency inspired by popular Doge meme featuring the Shiba Inu dog. So created by Billy Marks and Jackson Palmer. It aimed to bring a fun and approachable vibe to a world of cryptocurrency. But little did they know, Dogecoin would soon capture the hearts of many. Mining Dogecoin. How you can mine Dogecoin? Unlike Bitcoin, Dogecoin uses script technology for mining, offering a more accessible path for individuals with regular GPUs. With a quick 1 minute block time and a uncapped supply, Dogecoin distinguishes itself a playful alternative in the crypto space. Anyone can mine it solo or join a mining pool to share the rewards. So here we have Dogecoin's use cases. While Dogecoin started as a joke, its use cases have evolved beyond memes. It found a unique role as a tipping currency on platforms like Reddit and Twitter, where users appreciate quality content with Dogecoin. Dogecoin facade providing a small amount for free introduced many to community forecasting border and engagement. So, buying and selling Dogecoin. Getting your paws on Dogecoin is easy. Now can now you can sell or buy it various exchanges like Coinbase, Binance and more. Store it in a Dogecoin wallet or on an exchange and you are ready to dive into the world of tipping and trading. It often paired with Bitcoin, making it a gateway to broader crypto ecosystem. So, the Musk effect on Dogecoin. Elon Musk also involved in the Dogecoin. The impact of Elon Musk on Dogecoin cannot be ignored. His tweets and memes have fueled both rallies and dips in Dogecoin's prices. From Lion King Doge memes to Saturday Night Live appearances. So, Mark's influence has made Dogecoin a pop culture phenomenon. So, the Dogecoin Foundation revival. After a period of dormancy, the Doge Foundation rode back to life in 2021 with a renewed focus. It assembled a broad advisors featuring original team members, tech gurus like Vitalik Buterin and even representation from Elon Musk. Their goal to support the Dogecoin ecosystem and community. So, companies embracing Dogecoin. Believe it or not, Dogecoin has great acceptance from traditional companies with low transaction fees and Elon Musk's advancement. Major players like Tesla, AMC Theaters, and GameStop now welcome Dogecoin as a payment option, showing its real world utility. So, Dogecoin, libDogecoin, a game changing library. Dogecoin core version 1.14.6 introduced libDogecoin, a C library of the network's building blocks. Developed by co-developer Michi Lumin, it simplifies the creation of Dogecoin complaint products. So, opening doors for less technical enthusiasts to contribute to Dogecoin ecosystem. So here we have conclusion. As we wrap up our journey into the Dogecoin universe, it's clear that this crypto is more than just a meme. It's dynamic, community driven force with real world application and an unpredictable journey ahead. If you joined our exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting crypto content.